Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add keyframes on CapCut desktop app. Now let's begin. As you can see, I already have a video on my timeline. It can be an image or a video, it's up to you. Now let us just simply click on the video on the timeline. Now on the top right corner, you will see a menu bar open up. It shows something like video, audio, speed, animations and such. For now, we only need to focus on the video tab and the sub tab of the video, that is the basic. There are lots of options here, namely position and size, uniform scale, position, rotate, blend, opacity and others. Now next to each of these text, there is a diamond-like icon here. And if you hover over it, it shows something like add keyframe. If you click on this button, that is the diamond, and look at the video on the timeline, you can see a diamond shape appear here. Well guys, that's the keyframe. I'm gonna show you a simple example of how to use the keyframe to zoom in and zoom out. I'm gonna add a keyframe for scale and position here. Now, let's add another keyframe. I wanna add another keyframe till here for scale and position. I'm gonna scale it a bit and drag it on screen. Now let us just play the video.
Wow, what an audience. But if I'm being honest, I don't care what you think of my talk. I don't.
And again, if you want to zoom out, just add these two keyframes, that is scale and position. Scale it down to 100 and change the position to 0 and 0 for both X and Y axis. Now let's say it again.
Think of my talk. I don't. I care what the internet thinks of my talk.
Well guys, this is just a simple example of how you can use keyframes on CapCut. You can also rotate, blend, it's all up to you. That's how you add keyframes and use it on CapCut PC. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.